Hi, this is Marieta Oslanec, founder of ImmigrationBiz, and in this video we're going to talk about the advertising for EB3 green card. So if you're applying for EB3 green card, that's a green card through employment. It's an employment-based category of green card. If you have your sponsor and you are in the US or on H1B, or not necessarily on H1B, but you have your sponsor and you are applying for EB3, that means you are within the category of skilled workers. You have to get PERM certification from Labor Department in order to apply for adjustment of your status and in order to file the petition for the foreign alien worker. And also you need to have the advertising requirement met. Now, what is this advertising requirement? Pretty much this advertising requirement is talking about the importance of not taking any potential work positions of U.S. citizens. So you don't want to harm other U.S. citizens by taking up their place. So you need to show in this advertising and in the recruitment report that you have secured and pretty much this position is available to other people. And if none of them applies, or if none of them is eligible to apply, or if none of those candidates fit the description in your advertising, then you can sponsor this foreigner. So the advertising, the way we do the advertising is you have to post the job advertising in the workforce agency. You also need to post in the local newspaper, the biggest local newspaper, and make sure that you are very specific. You can ask for the prevailing wage determination from the Labor Department before you do so, before you include the salary in the job advertising if you like to. And make sure that you are really being specific. For example, you can include requirement like you need experienced person, experience at least 3 years or 4 years. Just really be specific. Or you can include the language, the language requirement. Now, if you do include the language requirement, you might receive in the future. You might receive the audit. They just want to make sure that it's not speculation. So if your business really requires someone who is fluent in, for example, Polish language, really there is got to be a reasoning behind it. So if that's the case, by all means you can include the language requirement. Also, make sure that if there is a travel requirement, be specific. How many percent of the time, what's the percentage of the travel time and why? Once you do the advertising, then you put together the advertising recruitment report, and this is basically the evidence for submitting the PERM certification. Once you receive the PERM certification, then you can actually apply for the EB3 green card. And I did a bunch of other videos on this topic, so feel free to check it out. And if you have any questions, please leave them below, or you can check out our blog at ImmigrationBiz.com. Thank you so much for watching.